Turmeric can help calm depression and anxiety. Did you know that curcumin, which is a bioactive part of turmeric, is a natural antidepressant that can help calm anxiety and depression? A random idea is that the modern world is causing a lot of people to feel sad and worried. It's right on the mark. Everyone knows that turmeric has always been a part of Indian cooking and ancient Ayurvedic medicine. Also, the curcumin in turmeric has been studied a lot for its possible health and wellness benefits, such as its use as an antidepressant. People today are overfed, undernourished, sedentary, don't get enough sunlight, don't get enough sleep, and are socially isolated. These differences in lifestyle lead to poor physical and mental health and affect how often and how to treat depression. Curcumin helps with depression. It's not a big deal if you have a lot of depression and anxiety. Instead, you should know that nature has given you an easy-to-find antidepressant that you can find in your kitchen. Curcumin is a chemical that can be found in the roots of Curcuma longa. It can help fight the signs of depression. Curcumin can raise the levels of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine in your brain because it reduces inflammation and acts as an antioxidant. Serotonin is directly linked to how happy, calm, and focused you are. At the same time, dopamine is linked to motivation and rewards. This means that these two happy hormones have a positive effect on your mood and stop the growth of anxiety disorders, which often lead to depression. Some mental health problems, like depression and mood disorders, can also be helped by dopamine and serotonin. All of the things above can make you feel hopeless, sad, depressed, and anxious. Several clinical trials have been done and published, and they all say that curcumin is a good way to treat depression and anxiety. Turmeric curcumin for anxiety. Curcumin in turmeric has an antidepressant effect that releases serotonin and dopamine. This makes depression and anxiety easier to deal with. Curcumin raises the level of neurotrophic factors like brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which reduces the symptoms of both mild and moderate anxiety. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, which help your body cope with stress. When you have less cortisol and adrenaline in your body, it's easier to relax and feel calmer. It can also help people with Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's disease, which are both long-term, severe mental illnesses. How does it work? Curcumin affects the neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine, which are two of your brain's happy hormones and can be linked to mood disorders like depression and anxiety. By keeping these chemicals in balance, your moods will be more stable in general. Curcumin also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation throughout the body. This is a different way that curcumin works to help control moods, which may be why taking turmeric is often recommended for people who suffer from chronic pain. Turmeric, curcumin, for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. Curcumin can be a good treatment for PTSD, which is very important to know. As we've seen, curcumin is a strong anti-inflammatory, which means it can help with sleep and anxiety. In fact, in a study of people recovering from heart attacks or bypass surgery, both of which can cause post-traumatic stress, those who took 2 grams of curcumin every day for 3 months did much better on a test of mental health than those who took a fake pill. This suggests that turmeric could be useful in helping people get over traumatic events like war or natural disasters. Turmeric to help you sleep. Inflammation can make it hard to sleep because it raises your body temperature and makes cortisol, the stress hormone. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, which makes it easier to sleep. Because turmeric contains curcumin, which is a natural painkiller. But you may need more curcumin because it can stop your body from taking in iron. When taken in large amounts, it may also make oxidative damage to cells worse. Recent studies have shown that the curcumin in turmeric can help people who can't sleep because of depression, anxiety, or major depressive disorder get their stress hormone levels back to normal. If you want to try turmeric to help you sleep, here are some doses that have been shown to work. 250 mg daily or 500 mg twice daily for up to 3 months. 500 mg twice a day for a total of 5 weeks. 3 times a day for a week, 400 mg. With all of these benefits, turmeric has a positive effect on mood, sleep, brain function, and more. Still, taking turmeric in moderate amounts doesn't cause any serious side effects. Before trying any new supplement or herb, you should always talk to your doctor. We hope you have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational content. Take care.